Let's make Cynful pumpkin and sweet potato casserole. Start by baking your sweet potatoes, and then we're just going to scoop out the meat. Put it in a nice big mixing bowl. Then we're going to add our pumpkin puree. Now this is the pumpkin puree 100% pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling. Add brown sugar. Vanilla. Cinnamon. Now I'm using whole nutmeg, fresh nutmeg here, and I'm grinding it with a microplane. We're going to go ahead and add our butter. That's softened, and we're going to take it and use our electric mixer and just mix it up until it's nice and smooth like this. And season with salt and pepper to taste, so kind of taste it as you're doing this. Now that salt and pepper is going to bring out that wonderful flavors. Just stir it in. Now we prepared a baking dish with butter spray, and we're going to put that mixture right into it and spread it out nice and even all throughout the pan. Top it with those marshmallows. I put a lot of marshmallows on it. I just love those marshmallows. You can do as little or as much as you want to. I use mini marshmallows. You can use the big ones. It doesn't really matter. And then we're going to put it in a 375-degree oven and bake it until they're nice and golden brown, those marshmallows. They've puffed up. And it's about 20 minutes. That's all there is to it, and this is just in time for Thanksgiving, so this makes a really good Thanksgiving sweet potato casserole. We all love those, right? The link to a printable recipe is in the video description. But I'm going to go ahead and show it to you right here anyway. I'd like to thank you for joining me for making this sweet potato and pumpkin casserole. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.